Assalamu alaikum and very good evening to you all, respected teachers, honorable judges, and my dear friends. It is a great honor to stand before you today. I'm truly privileged to have this opportunity to share my thoughts on atomic habits, small habits, big dreams. Without further delaying, I would like to begin my speech. I think you are thinking, what does atomic habits actually mean? Atomic means something extremely small, and habit is something we do repeatedly. 18 months ago, I had a superpower, wasting time. Video games, endless scrolling, watching pointless videos. I was an expert at doing nothing. But I had a big dream. I wanted to get into a government medical college or government university. I imagined myself wearing a white coat or shirt and sitting in a good medical college and making my family proud. But there was a problem. My dreams were big, but my daily actions were small. Every day, I told myself I will start properly starting tomorrow. But tomorrow never came. Then my admission results arrived, my dream fell shattered. At first I thought it was my bad luck. Maybe this exam was very difficult. Maybe other students were better than me. But deep down, I know the truth. That failure wasn't bad luck, it was the price I paid for every single hour I wasted. That night, I looked in the mirror and I asked myself, what is actually wrong with me? The answer hit me hard. It wasn't my intelligence, it wasn't my bad luck, it wasn't my dream, it was my daily habits. My routine was broken and my future was paying the price. And that pain led me to a book called Atomic Habits by James Clear. And I learned one simple truth. You don't need to change your whole life in one day. You just need to make small improvements every day. So I decided to start small. I made a simple rule for 15 days. I would sit at my desk for just 1 hour. No phone, no games, no endless scrolling, just me and my books. And my only goal was not to be perfect. My goal was to show up. Some days I studied well, some days I struggled, but I still sat at my desk. And slowly something amazing happened with me. That 1 hour became 2, study became a habit, and my addiction to distraction slowly became a desire for progress. Today, I'm not the same person I was 18 months ago. I learned that success doesn't happen overnight. Success is built through small decisions repeated every day. One page, 1 hour, one habits, one day at a time. You don't have to become perfect tomorrow. Just build one better habit today. So, I want to leave you with one simple question. What is the one tiny change you can make right now? Maybe it is putting your phone away. Maybe it is reading 10 pages. Maybe it is start small things. But don't wait for tomorrow. Start small, stay consistent, and never give up believing in yourself. Because small habits may look insignificant today, but repeated every day, they can change your entire future. Thank you everyone for listening me carefully. Assalamu alaikum.